voice is your voice breaking, or am I hearing other people? Is my am I clear?
Ritu's voice is clear, but Vijay's voice is breaking.
Okay, cool, guys. Just let me know about my audio, please, through the meeting. So grateful.
Quality is clear. No
Okay,
problem.
cool. How does it get any better? Hi, Indu. Okay, so Vijay, we start. Thumbs up from you. Okay, yeah. So hello, everybody, and thank you, Vijay. It's my pleasure to be on this webinar today. So my wonderful host, Mr. Vijay, though we live in the same city, we haven't got to meet each other. But this guy has amazing energy and is always inviting all of us to choose greater and contribute in a manner which nobody has done. So very grateful for you, Vijay, to having all these different facilitators lined up together to give their knowings and share with everybody else. Hi, Rohini, and hi, everyone, guys. So if I miss,
so glad to be here.
So glad to have you guys. Hi, Harish. Hi, Dhara. So if I miss anybody's name, please don't go personal. I'm so very grateful and so very overwhelmed to have everybody joining in. Hi, Shalini. Hi, Indu. Okay, so let's start, guys. The topic which I chose is joy, the element of thriving on this planet. So, guys, I would just like to start with your responses. What do you people know about joy? Indu, what is joy for you? Anybody? What is joy for you, Rohini? Hi, Simran. What is joy for you? Hi, Rashmi. What is joy for you?
Joy, can I speak?
Sure, please. Yeah.
Joy is something, it's an inner feeling of happiness,
Yes.
which gives you like real happiness and material. Happiness is something different, but this is something different. Joy is different.
Wow. Thanks. Thank you for that. Yeah. Pallavi, anybody else want to share their take on what is the word joy mean to them? Yeah, Rashmi.
So joy for me, the feeling of happiness and abundance.
Sure. Yeah.
Yes.
Sure. So guys, I'll just give a brief introduction to myself before I start. So I'm Ritu Bhari, Access Bar facilitator and a CFMW, which if I tell you the full form of it is Certified Fucking Miracle Worker from Access. So I've had my share of all the modalities. I started my journey in 1997 with Reiki, and there was always an element of curiosity and seeking something different in all the aspects of life. And actually, even before that, when I was around the age of 18 years, there was always that, what should I use the word, that curiosity to, tap into something different which is available to all of us. So I kept on moving ahead with my knowings. And so here I am today. Apart from being an Access Bar facilitator, I do other modalities, Reiki, emotional freedom technique. Recently, I've tapped into my another fun energy, which is called tarot card reading. So in all, I have fun with whatever I do. So that is what makes me, and I'm available here today with you guys to share my knowings and my take on the word joy.
चटनी में
Thanks.
हरी चटनी, लाल
Thanks,
चटनी,
Kalika.
टमाटर सॉस, टमाटर सॉस और हरी
थैंक यू सिमरन. इंदु जी आप थोड़ा आपका वो म्यूट कर लीजिए. या सो गाइस, joy according to me, if I tell you today, is the juicy orgasmic energy of you. Do you want to ponder on it, guys? Juicy orgasmic energy of you. Simran says, so yummy. Yes, dear. It is so yummy. So, guys, if we tap into our lives when we were born as small kids, when we were in the age of, say, about 2 years, or okay, maybe around 3 years, there was, am I audible? Vinita, am I?
Yes.
Can somebody tell me, am I audible, guys?
Yes, you're audible.
Okay, cool, cool.
Yes.
Yeah. So, guys, yeah, can everybody mute so I can go ahead? Yeah, thank you. So, guys, when we are born on this planet, the very being, the energy of a being is the most joyous, juicy, orgasmic energy of us. So we are born with this inherent energy of joy. Have you ever seen a small kid? Hi, Ankit, thanks for joining in. A small kid who is 2 years old has no prohibition, has no projection, has no point of view that what it is supposed to be. The very essence of that, this energy has been born, has that element of joy in it. What do you have to say, guys, about this, what I'm talking about right now? Do you resonate with the what I'm talking about, the energy of joy? Do you guys get that feeling? Is it something like that?
Yes.
Yeah, thank you, Harish. Thanks for acknowledging that. Yes. So my take is that we as being have this energy inherent in us. So for what reasons, as we grow up, okay, as we are growing, to have fun in this life, we are giving up the essence of our joy. And guys, here I will be using the clearing statement of Access Consciousness. If you want more clarity on it, you can go to theclearingstatement.com. The purpose of this clearing statement is that if we have anything which is not allowing us, it will just scrap it and let it go from the roots. So everywhere we are not willing to acknowledge the juicy orgasmic energy of us 24/7. Can we just destroy and uncreate it, please, right now, guys? Yes? Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, all nine, shots, boys and beyonds. So my question here is to some of you, why would you not be that energy 24/7? What are your reasons for giving up your joy? Can anybody pitch in here and give me some output on that, please? For what reason would you give your inherent essence of being alive on this planet? Hello, Anil. Thank you for joining. So guys, when a child, yeah, Rajeshwari, sure.
Maybe security, stability. Sometimes we just trade it for that.
Yeah. So Rajeshwari, when we were born, from whom we were asking for security and stability?
From a parent.
Yeah. But have you ever seen the other elements, the other species of this planet? Are they looking for security and stability on this planet?
No.
Are any plants looking for security and stability? Plants
No.
are okay to be born. They are here to have their joy, contribute on this planet, live the purpose, and when it is time to dry and just maybe go off, they're just ready to leave the planet. Isn't that
Yes.
so? Yeah.
Yes.
So where does this energy of security and stability comes from? What is that?
Maybe we just learned it from our elders.
Yeah. So that is what, Rajeshwari, that is what I'm talking about here. What if you the source of your own life, why would you give up your joy for anybody else? My question is that what makes you give up your joy, the essence, the gift this creation has gifted you to be on this planet? For what reason would we give it up? And just for today, can we ask all the joyous energy of our being to come to us right now, right here? And everything that doesn't allow us to be that joyous energy through all the dimensions, realities. Shall we revoke, recant, renounce, destroy, and uncreate right now, guys?
Yes.
Are we willing to? Yes. Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, all
Yes.
nine shorts, boys and beyonds. So people, those who are not from Access, I'm just using some clearing statement. The purpose of this clearing statement is to tap into your subconsciousness and bring you from the logic space, out of the logic space to the very essence of your being, the energy of your creation, the source. The purpose is to connect you back to the source, guys. Because every element which is present on this planet is the inherent joyous nature. All the animals, all the species are here on this planet to be the joyous being they are. They are not here looking for stability, security, relationships. They have come here to enjoy on this planet and to have the most adventurous and fun life for themselves. They have no attachments, they have no point of views. They are willing to be that energy 24/7, guys. And that is the energy which Earth is asking us today. And guys, we are all seeing that Earth is going haywire. Any take on that, guys? Would anybody like to bring that thing out? That what is it that which is bringing so much of change, on this planet Earth right now? Would anybody like to speak here? Akriti, would you like to talk? Pooja, anybody, guys? I would like to have an interactive session so that we can get the best out of this, Indu. Yeah, Indu.
Yeah. First of all, we guys, all human beings,
Yeah,
are running in a rat race,
yeah,
and we want to just move forward, 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 without bothering about anything, even the environment.
yeah. So true.
We want to have fun, but not joy.
Yeah. So
We
fun.
want,
So fun is outside you.
yes.
Okay.
And
Joy
joy is inside
yes,
us.
yes.
Yeah.
So that is what I'm asking. What did this coronavirus full thing brought us back to?
Joy.
Yeah. So should not we all be so grateful to this space?
Yes. At least
Because
I am enjoying this space.
absolutely, because we were, how you said, Indu, we were running in this rat race of proving that we are superior human species. But at
Yes.
this point, we are maybe lowest in the pyramid.
Yes.
Though we are born with the highest intellect, how do we use it to our advantage and for the contribution of our planet? When we go back from this planet, if we have not enjoyed every moment of our life, what was the purpose to have such a beautiful body and life, guys? And everything, guys, which is not allowing any one of you to tap into the energy which I'm talking about right now, let's destroy and uncreate it right now. Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, all nine, shots, boys, and beyonds. Any
Ritu,
questions?
someone wrote here, this
Yeah.
time is given to us to connect with ourselves. I think Shalini wrote it.
Exactly. Yes, Shalini. Would you like to talk on it? I would like to have an interactive session, Shalini, girls. Yeah, sure.
No,
Yeah,
I mean,
Shalini.
yeah, you were asking what is that this place
Yeah,
has given. What I found,
yeah.
what I found, like Hindu told, we have all been in a rat race without seeing what is happening. We are just running, 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 and never satisfied or happy with whatever we have achieved. We always want to go
Absolutely.
beyond and beyond. So this time when we are all locked down and are inside, we have got that break to think what we want and even take up many things that we have always pushed forward thinking we'll do it later. We have no time, so that's my take on this.
So, Shalini, isn't this so like, isn't it, should not we all be so grateful? Vijay, what do you say about this take? You have been able to have such a, beautiful series of webinars every day, people showing up on Zoom, giving their take on life, receiving from each other, and totally being present with each other. Guys, wasn't this the actual core of life when we came to this planet? A child when is born is not expecting anything out of anything. The child knows, because I have been born on this planet, that's my inherent nature, I will be taken care. But yes, when our mind, this our best friend, the best friend starts pumping in all the notions, all the point of views of A, B, C, D, E, F, G, Z, everything, we make it into a big, ball of ourselves. Are we that, or are we that 2-year-old child who just wants to be like this, like a stupid, like a masti, okay? And knows if I cry, I will get khana. If I smile, everybody will smile back at me. That child, the energy, that essence, I'm talking child means I'm talking the essence of a being, the being we all are in our hearts. We all are child here, guys. Can you please acknowledge that energy of yours today? My take would be that if you can tap into that childlike energies from today, here on forward, I truly wonder what changes and gift you can be to yourself and to other people on this planet. Would you be willing to choose that with me right now, guys? Cool. So everything that doesn't allow us to tap into the stupid childlike, innocence, trust, faith, knowing that I have come to this planet just for sheer joy and fun, and I will be taken care. Everything that doesn't allow that to show up in our world, let's destroy and uncreate, please. Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, all nine shots, boys, and beyonds. Anybody coming with any questions? Hi, Umesh. Hi, everybody. Maybe I'm not able to take your names individually, but I'm so grateful for all of you to hop on for this meeting, guys. Anybody else who has a different take on what is joy? Guys, from today, if we can be so present every day give ourselves that, freedom. कुछ भी हो जाए, कुछ भी हो जाए, I will not give up my joy for anything and for anybody. Because anything and anybody is not greater than your inherent nature, the essence of the being, the spark, the light. All the philosophy, all the Vedas, all the courses, all the modalities talk about this, guys. If we are not willing to tap into that energy of ours, nothing outside can give you that joy. And if I talk from my own experience, guys, you go out, you can have fun, you can have adventure, you can have so many things which will add on to your joy, but they will not be your core reason for your joy. If you don't have this element of joy in your heart, nothing can make you happy, guys. It is not outside. It is not in any books. It is not anywhere else. It is there with you, coexisting with you in nature. Learn to receive from nature. We are made of the same elements of this nature. दिमाग को बंद कर दो, कुछ नहीं होगा, जो होना है सो होएगा. We have only these 10 seconds to live, and in our access we always talk about living in present moment, that is now. It is only these 10 seconds. Agar is 10 second mein, if I cannot be that energy, guys, it's not fun to be on this planet. That's my take on. Anybody else who has any question or anything to contribute, please bring it on and let's take it further. Thank you, Padita.
Yeah, Ritu, Anita here. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
Yeah. I wonder what stops us from being joyful. You know, what has been implanted lifetimes over, which is stopping us from being joyful.
Anita, I mean, great, a great question to ask. I wonder what stops. So what if you can ask this every time, every moment of your life? What stopped me? What is that energy? Who gave permission to that energy? Okay, अभी एक plant है, अभी एक flower है, उसका inherent nature है to bloom, okay, from a bud to bloom, okay, and when the time is come to shrink, it will fall off and it will go. That is what even our life is made for. We have people in our life to contribute to us, but what we have done, we are making them our source of joy and happiness, and instead of that they add to our joy, we are making them the element to stop us. Is that the element of thriving on planet? Why the planet is showing all these things to us now? Guys, because our energies are not matching with that energy of our planet. That's the ask of this planet. Thrive. Thrive. Be that energy. Be that stupid jhala. Let anybody and everybody think of you. Be at 80, be at 70, be at 50, be at 10, be at whatever age you are, guys. Bring that energy out. कल किसने देखा है? कितनी पिक्चरें बन गई? कितने गाने बन गए? अब कितना और सुनेंगे दूसरों से? अपने अंदर से सुनो.
क्वेश्चन ये, हम इतने इंटेलिजेंट हैं. Hi.
Who's this?
Hi.
Can I know your name,
Yeah,
please?
this is Raj. Thank you so
Hi,
much,
Raj.
Vijay. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Vijay.
Can I see your face, please, Raj?
Yeah, why not? Why not?
Yeah, sure.
Thank you so much, Vijay. Thank you so much, Ritu.
Yeah, Raj,
Actually,
tell me.
हम लोग इतने इंटेलिजेंट हैं और कि ये सब इतने इंटेलिजेंट है कि सब चीजों को समझते हैं. हाउ टू गेट आउट फ्रॉम द जेल, हाउ टू गेट आउट फ्रॉम द जजमेंट, हाउ टू गेट आउट फ्रॉम द लो डाउन बैरियर, और अपना जो चॉइसेस है अपने चॉइसेस को बेहतर करे. दिस इज द मूवमेंट. एवरीथिंग एवरीथिंग मतलब इतना इंटेलिजेंट है. एवरीबडी इज इनफ इंटेलिजेंट. तो और everybody know everything. So this is the only choice, and we have to live. We have to joyful, infinite being, and everything, every knowledge, every kind of information we have. We have very
तो
much
मुश्किल क्या
intelligent.
है राज जी?
मुश्किल
मुश्किल
सिर्फ
क्या
इतना सा है
है?
कि इस स्टेट को बनाए कैसे रखा जाए. हाउ टू मेंटेन.
अरे
आई
पहले
हैव टू
कोशिश
क्वेश्चन.
तो
हाँ,
करो. पहले कोशिश तो करो.
हाउ टू मेंटेन.
पहले 1 मिनट करो, फिर 10 मिनट करो, फिर आधा घंटा करो, फिर 1 घंटा करो. सो बी प्रेजेंट कि भाई मैं गुस्सा किसके लिए हो रही हूँ. व्हाट इज दिस? ये मेरा है कि ये सब बकवास वही जेल है? क्यों? क्योंकि हम ऑल द टाइम दिमाग से काम करते हैं, अपने हार्ट से काम नहीं करते हैं. और जो इस प्लैनेट की जो मेन कोर ऑफ थ्राइविंग एनर्जी है वो हार्ट से है, वो दिमाग से कम है. Because everything else other than the human species is operating from the zone of heart, from the knowing, from the intuitions, not from the logics. कि कल का भैया मैंने अगर इतना पैसा जमा कर दिया तो मैं सेफ हूँ. किसको पता था इतने होटलियर्स को नए नए होटल खोल के बैठे कि कल होटल के बिजनेस बंद हो जाएगा. आज ही पेपर में आया कि सब कहते थे जी खाने का काम कभी बंद नहीं हो सकता. हो गया ना. So Raj, very interesting. I mean, and like, you know, you having that awareness is amazing, but then it starts with you. It starts with you.
Okay.
And trust me, अपने आप को गलत नहीं करो कि मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा. ओके, आपको सब आता है तो आप अपने आप को एक छोटे बच्चे जैसे बना लो ना. When you start walking, आप पूरा तो नहीं चलने लग जाते. लग गए थे.
Exactly. नहीं.
So it is the same way. एक स्टेप तो लेके देखिए, फिर कल 2 स्टेप लेना, फिर अपने आप की पैट पे बैक करना. ओ यस राज, ओ यू डिड अ ग्रेट जॉब. You are having yourself. You are you know being you. और हम लोग क्या करते हैं, सारा टाइम बाहर की एनर्जी में डाल देते हैं. नहीं, अभी आराधना आएगी तब बोलेगी कि हाँ भाई ऋतु तू खुश रह सकती है, या सोनाली या उमेश या विजय या पूजा, कोई भी. अरे भाई ये मेरा खजाना है, ये आपका खजाना है. कौन बोलेगा? आपने खुद ही बोला. सॉरी कि दिस इज लाइक वी ऑल नो अबाउट इट. देन व्हाट आर वी वेटिंग फॉर? अब तो आपको अर्थ ने, प्लैनेट ने, सबने दिखा दिया. देयर इज नो टाइम टू वेट गाइस. इनफ. जो जीना है अभी जी लो. मस्ती कर लो, शराब पीनी है शराब पी लो, जो करना है अपनी एंजॉयमेंट के लिए करो. और उसको इतना करो कि अपने आप को उसके लिए टॉर्चर मत करो. योर लाइफ, योर रूल्स, लिव इट, बट डू नॉट मेक योरसेल्फ रॉन्ग फॉर इट. अभी अर्थ पे टॉर्नेडो आता है, अर्थ बोलता है मैं खत्म नहीं हो गया. ठीक है, दैट्स वन पार्ट ऑफ माय एनर्जी. इट वाज रिक्वायर्ड. A tornado is as much as required, maybe a silent wave in the sea today. So you have both the energies. You have a tornado within you and you have that calmness with you. Use what contributes to you. That is the energy of thriving for our planet, guys. That energy is being asked from our planet. बस करो ड्रामा, बहुत हो गया. सब दिमाग छोड़ो. Become like the innocent 2-year-old, 6-year-old. जैसे एक बच्चा जो 6 महीने का या 10 महीने का या 1 साल का. When you put that child on the swing, okay, उसको डर नहीं लगता है. बच्चे को कभी डर नहीं लगा कि वो आगे गिरेगा या पीछे गिरेगा, कि कौन मुझे धक्का मार देगा. हम लोग 24/7 इस डर में जीते हैं. Is that, and how you said it very beautifully. Yes, Rohini, so true. But we know it. Then what are we doing to change it? दिमाग इसलिए मिला, human species को इसलिए दिमाग मिला to have that access to you. That's all. नहीं तो हम भी पेड़ पौधे and animals ही थे. वो तो कंप्लेन भी नहीं करते. हमारी तो कंप्लेन की लिस्ट ही नहीं खत्म होती. We never come to an end because we are so engrossed with the mind thing कि okay, this is not correct, I did not do well. You know, we are not here in this moment. And the earth is telling you, crying and telling you from all the spaces. Guys, it's done. पैसा है, बंद हो गया, कहीं नहीं जा सकते, किसी कंट्री में नहीं जा सकते, कोई ट्रैवल नहीं है, अपने अंदर ट्रैवल करो. Travel towards you, guys. That's the gift this corona is giving you. That's your new
Excellent,
mantra.
Ritu. Excellent, excellent.
Thank you so much. That's the mantra for this life showing up after corona. बस बाय बाय. जितना कर लिया, जितना इंस्टाग्राम में पिक्चर डाल दिया, फेसबुक में डाल दिया, where next, here next first. यहाँ से पहले बाहर निकालो. आज जी लो, कल का कल देखेंगे. So anybody, thank you guys. Any questions, please? Let's come up with questions.
So
Any
I
questions,
just wanted
Aradhna?
to share, Ritu,
Yeah, Rohini, go on. Go on.
Not a question, but I so totally agree with you, you know, that till now we were looking for joy outside, you know,
Yes,
and
Siddharth.
now that time has come where the earth said, I've had enough, right? Now everybody
Truly.
goes into isolation and we learn to go within us because there is nothing else that you can do. There's nothing outside of our homes that we can really do. So what are we doing? We're going within to find that joy. There is no option left. The earth has left us with no option. What are we doing? We're observing nature so carefully for the first time. We're trying to take examples from nature that, you know, how it stays happy, how, you know, the plants, the animals, they stay happy in every situation. It's just
Absolutely.
us that turn outside, you know, ourselves to look for joy. So
yeah,
I think,
Rohini. Yeah,
yeah.
that's like a great, you know, your own discovery about yourself. So I'll just like to give one point here that I have always been like a stupid crazy woman जिसको हमेशा पेड़ पौधे एनिमल्स शुरू से ज्यादा पसंद थे. तो लाइफ बाहर चल रही है, किट्टी पे जा रहे हैं, खाना खा के आ रहे हैं, पर मजा नहीं आ रहा. So you know, there has been always something from inside telling me कि बाहर तो ये चलता रहेगा. You know, that joy of being present with nature is like mind blowing, guys. कभी बैठ के देखो, like you will really see how these, you know, ants जो कीड़े हैं कैसे एक सिमेट्री में चलते हैं. कहाँ है हमारी जिंदगी में ये सब कुछ? Where do we have in our life? क्या कर रहे हैं हम लोग? Pulling each other's legs. How can you be better than me? I mean, did we come for this? Or we came, okay, that person has that, okay, he's great in that. This one is good at that. This one is good at that. Are we trusting our uniqueness? Or are we just at all the time, like, you know, pulling each other down with this mind power? Where is the joy here? And if you're joyous, trust me guys, आपको कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता क्या हो रहा है. आपको पता है, you know, you will come to yourself, and at the end of the day, you have to sleep with yourself, you have to sleep with your mind, you have to sleep with your body. And if that is not contributing and supporting to you, nothing else can contribute to you outside. So that's the energy of joy and thrive. It is absolutely, correlated. It's not a separation. There is no separation here. Any other question, guys? Aradhna, any question from you? So, guys, me being a facilitator too, and I've had this opportunity, right from beginning, from my spiritual gurus, my mentors. I'll take a moment. Maybe I cannot name everybody, but I am in gratitude for each one showing me some aspect from them, to have it in my heart and to keep growing further and to have these energies available to all those people, those who are willing to go beyond. कि भैया 1+1 को 2 ही करना है. You cannot operate from fixing the life energy. That doesn't work on earth. Plants are never fixing. Flowers are never fixing each other. A rose respects lotus and is in awe of lilies. It's not in jealousy. There is no jealousy, guys. The element of thrive is to be the joyous nature of your being. And कि जहां आप चले जाओ, कि वहां आपकी खुशबू से सब बदल जाए. That wherever you walk through, everybody is changed with that vibration of yours. People receive you or not receive you is their choice. We cannot change that. But a flower is always there, blooming like this, always. जिसको देखना है मुझे देख के खुश हो जाओ, जिसको नहीं होना तुम्हारी मर्जी है. That's the nature, joyous inherent nature of us, guys. Have it, bring it, demand it from inside, bring it out now.
So can you give us one tool how to actually imbibe the earth into you, and like how to actually imbibe that whole energy all the time from the planet and earth? Because I see you all the time in your posts being out
so
in the
exactly.
nature, and so what do you know?
Yeah, thanks Aradhna. Actually, I would acknowledge that. So my presence with my earth has been a gift. Like how I'm saying, if I'm not doing anything, I will just go out and I will observe a tree and I will observe all the different kind of insects, around there. Because somewhere, everything around the logics, the mind game of people and the energy would always, make me go, what is really true for me? So I think the question, what we can ask Aradhna here is, what is truly true for me to thrive on this planet? What energy, space, consciousness can me and my body be to have those energies from every molecule of this planet to keep me contributing 24/7? And everything that doesn't allow, let's destroy and uncreate, please. Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, all 9 shots, boys and beyond.
So
Thanks,
what do you know
Aradhna.
about, thank you, but that's an amazing question. Thanks. And what do you know
I
about
would
those
like-
insects? When you watch
I would
the
like to
tree,
take a question.
yeah, go ahead.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, Dhara.
Yeah. So when you said that don't आप अपने को किसी भी चीज के लिए want मत करवाइए.
हाँ
So
जी.
supposedly this video is listened by 2-3 people in the family, and they said no, we are allowed to ask anything and to any extent possible. Now some person has got into the habit of maybe drinking in excess, and see that problem doesn't stay with him. It influences us members as a family, each
हाँ.
other.
हाँ.
तो ऐसे में क्या करना चाहिए?
तो इन्फ्लुएंस इसलिए करता है क्योंकि अगर आपने इस चीज को गलत माना हुआ है, अगर अब वही मैं आपको बता रही हूँ कि अगर आप यही देखते हो कि हमारे में तो हमारी ह्यूमन स्पीशीज में we are not supposed to have sex in the open, but animals में वो कहीं नहीं देखते कहाँ पर किसके ऊपर जंप करना नहीं करना है. कोई भी डॉग एनिमल है वो कहीं भी अपनी बॉडी की इच्छा को पूरी करने के लिए do whatever is required. Can you please mute yourself, Vijay?
मेरा ध्यान ही नहीं जा रहा था बात में. फिर वो उसको लग जाता है.
So you mean to say there is no wrongness in anything?
That is what. See, that is what Dhara. जब आप हर चीज को wrongness से start करते हो. Vijay, can you please mute the other person?
See, okay, फिर मैंने करा नहीं obviously. फिर उसने
One moment, Dhara. I'll just ask.
को फोन भेजा. वो जो इसके पहले बनाया था ना फीडबैक मांगा था, वापस से नया बनाया फीडबैक.
Which Vijay, can you please mute yourself? Yeah.
क्योंकि मेरा ना एक्चुअली कुछ
दिमाग घूम गया मेरा वो काम वाले. So there is no wrongness in anything.
That is what. See, जब हम wrongness को ढूंढने लग जाते हैं ना, तो हमारी कहानी जिंदगी वही की वही खत्म. क्योंकि उसी को फिक्स करने के लिए आप सारी जिंदगी की एनर्जी लगा दोगे.
मतलब पता है कहाँ से आया? ऐसा हुआ कि वो उसने बोला था
एक छोटा सा एग्जांपल लेते हैं. एक फैमिली में
तो मेरे को ऐसा
फैमिली को बहुत ज्यादा पीने की आदत हो रही है.
You know the energy. Can you mute all and all?
I don't know if I'm the host here. Can I do it? Which is the host? Vijay, you'll have to do it.
और उसमें भी मैं किसी और में करती रहूंगी.
You know what energy is showing up for me when she's talking about wrongness? That how much of this wrongness is, you know, all the noise and chatter from.
बेसिक टाइम वाली बात क्लिक हुई फिर
and you're buying
तो
it
फिर
as
मैं कब बनूंगी? मतलब
Vijay,
फिर ऐसा रियलाइज हो 30-35 में बहुत सारी चीजें हो जाती है. अभी
so what I write about this girls. See, धारा देखो, अगर हम नॉर्मल कंडीशन में होते तो गुस्सा हो जाते. अब हम लोग नहीं हो रहे. हम इसको गुस्सा में नहीं लेके जा रहे. हम इसको मजाक बना रहे हैं. So that is how you always have a choice. Okay.
मैं एक छोटा सा एग्जांपल देती हूँ. एक छोटी सी फैमिली में एक आदमी को पीने की आदत हो गई है. उसके बाद वो अपने बच्चों को मारता है, बीवी को मारता है. बीवी इज द विक्टिम हियर. मतलब बहुत ज्यादा इन्फ्लुएंस है उस बात से.
यही बोलते हैं ना कि अगर आपके साथ में जो रह रहे हैं जिनकी एनर्जीज अगर आपको पसंद नहीं आ रही तो आप चॉइस करिए ना. अगर आपको मस्त नहीं लग रहा, यू ऑलवेज हैव अ चॉइस. You can always choose something different. क्योंकि उन्होंने जो वो कर रहे हैं वो अपनी चॉइस से कर रहे हैं, अपनी मस्ती से कर रहे हैं. उनके लिए उनकी लाइफ में वो गलत नहीं है. अगर आप उसको गलत पहले बनाओगे तो वो बढ़ती जाएगी, और अगर आप उसको गलत बनाना बंद कर दोगे तो वो चेंज भी हो जाती है. That changes. But again, you also have a choice. Those people have a choice again, whether they want to be there or not. That is their choice totally.
Yeah.
So the energy on this planet is never about right, wrong, good, bad. कुछ भी गलत नहीं है.
मैं खड़ी रही और मैं तुझसे खुद ही पूछ रही थी कि यार इसने मुझे काम के लिए बोला, मैं क्या बोलूँगी बोलूँगी. जबकि मेरे पास
Vijay, can you mute them, please? Guys, can you mute yourself? Okay, did it work? Okay, cool. How does it get any better? Dhara, आपको question का, did you get any clarity?
Yeah. Sure. So we need to choose differently.
Exactly. So every time, every moment, it is in us. ये हमारे अंदर की अपनी energy है. What can we choose here? What can I do different in these 10 seconds? Like instead of reaction, okay, what can I do? If I get up from this place, will it change something in the other person's world? What energy can I be here?
Yeah, that's what I've been doing.
Exactly. So has it been working for you? Has it been contributing to you?
Not at so far.
See, because Dhara, because you already have a lot of energy to it.
करती हूँ है ना किसी और के बिजनेस में जो मेरे को इंटरेस्टेड नहीं हूँ, जिसमें मेरा कोई होता ना इंटरेस्ट.
No, daily I'm doing this. What energy, space, and consciousness can I be in so that myself and
फिर
It
उसके
can be
बाद
the
भी
contribution for
मतलब ऐसा
myself and
लगा
the other
यार
person to choose
मैं कब
higher.
करूंगी
Yeah, so
मतलब
but here see again, if
मैं
you're
25
asking
भी
from an
हूँ 24
expectation,
अगर
अगर आप कोई
टाइम
क्वेश्चन
तो
एक्सपेक्टेशन से
ये साल
कर
तक
रहे
मेरे
हो तो
अपना
वो उसका क्या
एक
मतलब
ड्रीम
हुआ?
बिजनेस को
वो तो
करने
एक
की कोशिश करूँ मतलब
एनर्जी
कैसे
को आप लिमिट कर रहे हो ना,
ऐसा कोई तो बिजनेस तो है नहीं
आप चॉइस नहीं दे रहे हो, आप एनर्जी को भी कंट्रोल करने की कोशिश कर रहे हो. The energies will show up if you're not in controlling of it. You let them be.
तो अगर को एक बेसिक से दुनिया को कहते हैं
Yeah, Sachin, I get that. I wonder what's right about all of this. Yeah.
What is my statement has to be?
So
Just
what's
choosing.
yeah, and what is right about all of this? How can I use this
वो
to my
जितना तो मैं
advantage?
तो ऐसा होता है ना खुद ही वो लाइंस मिल जाती है तो मेरे को ऐसा हो गया कि भाई
I'm
ये मेरे
interested in listening to one. Okay.
Thank you.
So Vijay, do we have they been muted or do we just stop here? How does it go? My host Vijay will let me know. Okay, Aradhna, we were there at your question. Can we just catch up with that?
No, I just wanted to know more about your theory because you said that you watched that when you watched the whole bark and you watched the little
And
insects.
yeah,
That really
yeah,
and I got curious. Like
yeah,
what was that? What do you observe and what do
exactly.
you get?
So what I like always receive from them is that totally, you know, though the conditions are chaotic, even in that chaos, they have some symmetry. They have some, that knowing that if we walk straight, do we go this side? Do we go that side? So in the chaos, also they know how they can receive.
Right now, chaos is going on in the background.
So how do
And
we
yet we are
get
going
there?
on. Yet we are going on.
Yes.
Yeah.
How do we get? So my take was there actually before Aradhna was like,
Now you are muted. Now you are
Somebody
muted
muted
too.
her.
You only got muted.
okay, Vijay,
Super.
anybody else for questions? And Vijay, do we have time or do we wrap up? What is it? Let me know. Yeah, Asha, tell me.
Hi, yes.
Hi.
So thanks. It's really been a great session.
Thank you, Asha.
And you know, what you say really resonates with me, with where I'm at, with how I'm trying to really you know, not just use but become what Access is kind of pointing us to. But how do you know, when you come, the things that really still throw me are conflicts, tensions with people. You know, I still have this need to, you know, I can walk away from something or someone, but I want to walk away with it first all settled and smooth. And that's not always possible.
Yeah, sure. So may I ask you something here, Asha? So how much in conflict you are within yourself? What are the energies of conflict within yourself? So one thing is there, like guys, again, how we spoke about whatever is showing in our lives outside is totally a mirror reflection of the energies, what are going on inside us. It's not about somebody else. Yeah. If somebody has, you know, rejecting me, so there is some energy within me I keep rejecting. So this is what the Access, you know, has been the biggest gift, that by asking questions, what is this? What can I do with this? Can I change this? How can I change this? The basic 4 questions are always a great way to, you know, explore to different possibilities. The simplest and the most easiest of 4 questions. So it's not about them. It's about you. Which part of you are always in conflict with yourself?
Okay.
So if you ask those questions to yourself and become present and have no point of view and just be in the interesting point of view. Okay, interesting point of view. I'm in conflict with this energy of mine. You know,
Okay.
It will
Okay.
dissipate. So when you're in the energy of interesting point of view, you are just nullifying all the energies. You become neutral. You don't have charge to it.
Right. Right. So when you say the basic 4 questions, I'm
Yeah.
not sure. What are those?
So that is, what is this? Okay. So if it is something, okay, universe, show me what is this? What can I do with this? Can I change this? How can I change this? These are the 4 basic questions for anything, showing with your body or with any relationships or with any aspects of your life. Just start to question it. And
right.
Asking question has to be from the space of no expectations, guys. That's the key. That's the key. Like how Dhara also said कि मैं क्वेश्चन पूछ रही हूँ. अगर मैं क्वेश्चन पूछ रही हूँ कि कल तक मेरी ये प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व हो जाएगी, then maybe it won't, because I have vested interest in that. Because the play of life and planet is about, untangling the energies. That's all. It's not about fixing it. No, it's just about untangling them and let the energies which are going to create greater for us contribute to us in a manner beyond our expectations. Because mind can still expect only this much, and life is beyond that much. So actually, when we are expecting, how much are we already limiting our life, guys? So everywhere we are in the expectation of and fixing the results of a life. Can we revoke, recant, renounce, denounce, destroy, and uncreate, please, right now? Everything that doesn't allow, let's destroy and uncreate, please. Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, all 9 shots, boys and beyond. Any other question, guys?
Thank you.
One question.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
But each ask, behind each ask, there is some question behind that one. There is a problem behind each ask.
There's a problem.
Whenever we are asking.
See, that is what, Dhara. Okay. तो हमारी लाइफ में, ह्यूमंस की लाइफ में हर चीज को प्रॉब्लम में सॉर्ट आउट कर दिया गया. दैट इज व्हाट आई एम टेलिंग यू कि प्लैनेट में प्रॉब्लम जैसी नाम ही नहीं है. अगर तूफान भी आ रहा है तो वो प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, वो उसका नेचर है. वो अर्थ में अगर गर्माहट आ गई तो वॉल्केनो का लावा बाहर निकलेगा. बट अगर हम गुस्सा हो जाते हैं तो हम अपने आप को 50 थप्पड़ मार देते हैं, मैं गुस्सा क्यों हो गई. So it is just an inherent nature of the planet to have all the energies together with simultaneously and not make anything right or wrong, good or bad. Here comes the human mind, which is always trying to separate out right, wrong, good, bad, अच्छा बुरा, ये अच्छा ये बुरा ये गंदा ये सही है. उसी में ही जिंदगी निकल गई और निकल जाएगी. चाहते हैं कि हम अभी तो बोल रहे कोरोना है, अर्थ बोल रहा है बाय बाय, खत्म होने वाला टाइम. कल है कि नहीं है, आज जी लो, अभी हंस लो. जो पी रहे हैं उनको पीने दो, उनको अगर जाना है तो बाय बाय कर दो. कोई प्लांट दूसरे प्लांट को नहीं पकड़ता. एक पेड़ में देर आर स्टेम्स, देर आर ब्रांचेस. ओके, एक ब्रांच टूटी हुई है तो कोई उसको पकड़ के नहीं बैठ रहा. ओके प्लीज डोंट गो. दे आर सेइंग ओके गो. दैट इज द आस्क. जॉय means the juicy orgasmic you, to be the masti, to be that energy and trust that I came on this planet. वो गाना है ना कि बहारों फूल बरसाओ महबूब आया है. तो आप सब महबूब हैं और प्लैनेट की एनर्जीज बहारे हैं. दे आर सेलिब्रेटिंग अस, बट हम ही नहीं सेलिब्रेट कर रहे तो प्लैनेट क्या सेलिब्रेट करेगा. तो प्लैनेट ने बोल दिया कोरोना आ गया, आपका टाइम आ गया, जिसको जाना जाओ. सो सिंपल. जिसको जीना हंस के जी लो, बाकी ड्रामा नहीं करना. everything that brings up, let's destroy and uncreate. Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, all nine, shorts, boys, and beyonds. So anything else I can contribute, guys? I guess time is showing. So I'm so grateful for everybody hopping on and being a contribution, with noise, without noise, and what was right about all of this, adding to the chaos and creating more ease, joy, glory for us. So ease, joy, glory का मंत्र कभी नहीं भूलना. तुसी छा गए हो रितु दी. Yes, thank you Simran. Thank you. So ease, joy, glory में मतलब ही यही है कि अगर मेरे घर में आज 2 रोटी के साथ भी खाना खाना है तो उसमें भी ईज होनी चाहिए. अगर 100 रोटी खाती हूँ तब भी ईज है, 2 रोटी खाऊं तो उसमें भी ईज है. That's the inherent nature of juicy, orgasmic you, the juice of yourself. Engulf and nurture and drink your nectar, guys. That's for you. That's only for you. And let's have it, demand it, claim it, own it, and just छा जाएं इस planet के ऊपर. So I'm done, Vijay. Any other question? Thank you Tejal. Thank you Umesh. Any other question maybe we can take, or we can wind up? Thank you Asha.
Vijay, thank you so much, and Ritu,
Thank you, Raj.
awesome.
Thank you so much.
This
Oh,
choice,
thank
how
you.
can we shift our choice?
Thank you
you
guys.
so much.
Thank you Anita. Thank you everybody. Anybody
Thank you
else?
so much, Ritu. Bye.
Thank you Rohini.
Thank you,
Thank
Vijay
you.
ji.
Thank you.
Hope to see all of you sometime in life, guys. So I'll just brief you on what I do. I'm also an Access Bar facilitator. I'm from Bangalore. If you're looking for bars classes, facelift classes, body classes, and I'm into tarot reading of lately, enjoying the fun and the whispers of these angels to pass on messages, you're most welcome to join and ever have a session from me. Thank you so much. Thank you, guys. Thank you, Sachin ji.
Thank you.
And Ritu's awesome with the tarot cards, guys. Sorry, I can't show up, but thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Radna. Thank you for always having my back. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you, Vijay. Share me your contact. You can contact me, Divya Damodran. Vijay से आप ले सकते हो. I'm on Facebook, guys. Thank you, Renu. I'm accessible. कहीं भी याद कर लो, कहीं से कहीं ना आ जाएंगे आप लोग. It's all energies. Ask and you shall receive. Thank you, guys. Bye-bye.